There are options that allow you to get a US phone number, maybe even a free one, like the Google Voice thing, but they require you to be physically located in the US.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia! Oh, hell no!
And this solution works all over the world. As far as I know, you can double check on their website or ask them. It's been working great for me, and the solution is called Tello. They give you a SIM and a US phone number, which allows you to receive SMS. You don't have connectivity to the cellular network because you're outside of the US and they're based in the US, but you can still use the Wi-Fi calls to basically accept calls if you have internet and still take them normally, which is great. I personally don't need anything more than that. They offer eSIM and the normal SIM. I set up an eSIM for my phone because you don't have to wait, and the setup is basically done in 10-15 minutes. So Tello gives you an option to get a plan. You just need the cheapest one, really, just to get SMS, and you can't use the other stuff basically if you're not in the US. It has worked for me to open up bank accounts with Relay and with other stuff. It has pretty much received SMS text flawlessly. Also, random people in the US have been just messaging me. One of them said like, when are you coming over for dinner and stuff like that. So it's a perfectly normal number. People mistype it sometimes, and it's not that expensive, guys. $5 a month is pretty doable. If you use my referral code, you would also get like 2 free months or something. I think you would get a bonus. So yeah, this is the best option I have found so far, and I've looked at a lot of things. What I don't like about them is that as soon as I got the phone number, a couple of days later, one brand started spamming the text messages like every day or every other day, which it's unexplainable to me. I think that they probably have some kind of partnership, but for $5 a month it's completely doable. What you're gonna need to set it up is you either need a phone that is able to have 2 SIMs, otherwise you're gonna have to have a separate phone. In my case, I have both my local phone number and the Tello one at the same time, which is pretty great. I remember my dad, while he was traveling abroad, he used to switch SIM cards, do all these kinds of things, have different phones even, but nowadays that's a lot easier. And in the process, they would require you give them some kind of code from your phone to check if the service is even compatible with your phone for the eSIM. But yeah, the setup is not that hard, and I'm also going to link a tutorial on how to set up Tello. So a lot of different things you can use it. You can put it on your website as a business phone number. You can take calls from it as long as you have internet. And that's about it, guys. I'm gonna link the tutorial over here. Hopefully that helps you. But the setup is not that hard either way. They guide you through it. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you on your business journey, whatever you're doing.